Hi guys, and I'm back and I'm so excited to show you guys. This is my new handheld gimbal stabilizer tripod. Yes guys, you heard it right. This is a gimbal stabilizer tripod. So because it is a tripod, it is extendable and it has a stand, of course. I think stand niya guys, and this is the remote control guys. You can use it to control your phone. Yan. You can connect your phone through Bluetooth. Ayan. So, dito naman tayo. It has a lock here guys. Lock. Kasi nga, dito. Ayan. Gumagalaw siya kapag na-unlock na siya. But if it's locked, hindi siya magagalaw. See? So, this is the turn off and on button. This is the lights indicator for the battery. So, full charge pa siya. And this is the Type-C for the charger. And then, you can connect this through Bluetooth. You can place your phone here. And this is detachable, guys. See? Ayan, natatanggal siya. And you can place it on the side. Ayan. Like that. Ayan. So, unlock natin. Ayan, naka-unlock na siya. And then, ayan, gumagalaw na. So, kahit gumalaw yan guys, dahil stabilizer nga siya, your video quality, hindi siya shaky. So, maganda pa rin. So, kahit gumalaw-galaw ka, tumakbo ka, so, maganda yung quality ng video. Hindi siya shaky. So, this one guys, let's put it back. So, ito naman guys, na-press ko na yung light. This is a light and this is detachable. Just press here and you can detach. You can place the light here on the side para mas malapit sa phone. And can remove also and put it back. Ayan. So, this is a adjust here and this is a very small, very handy. And it is not expensive guys. This is a lot cheaper than the other tripods that I bought and sa Temu ko nabili guys. So, diba? Very handy, very small. I think this is durable too. Durable siya guys. Yung quality niya maganda. So, masaya ako na nabili ko to kasi ano na, all-in-one na siya. Lahat ng features na gusto ko nandito na siya. Nandito na lahat. Compared dun sa, I don't know if you watch my old videos in the YouTube, my first